Hello and welcome to W3CSS Paragraphs demo. I am Alaa Haddad, the developer for the W3CSS theme and the W3CSS Paragraphs. If you want to build along with me, you will need the following. Drupal's 9 or 10 site installed, the W3CSS theme, the W3CSS Paragraphs module, the Paragraphs module, the Entity Reference Revisions module, the Field Group module. I have a Drupal 10 installed on my local with some dummy content. It has no customization. I have the default theme enabled. If we click Appearance, here's the default theme. I downloaded the modules, the necessary modules for this demo, which is the W3CSS paragraphs, entity reference revision, field group. To start, let's go and enable the theme. The first thing we do, install, enable the theme. And the second, we go and enable the module. This demo is going to be for the hero, the W3CSS Paragraphs hero. What is the hero? A hero is just an image and has some text printed on the overlay of the image or on the top of the image. If I click the bundle, I have an example. This is a hero. As you see here, an image, a background, and it has some text on the top. You see this a lot on the home page or section page or anything. So we are going to build this bundle from scratch. So let's start. I enabled the theme. I'm going to extend. I want to enable the module W3CSS. I am choosing hero, and that should enable all the necessary modules. Enable. After enable the modules, we will create a content type to use in this demo. Pick, delete field, body field, I don't want to use it. I'm adding a paragraph field, name it, continue. I'm excluding this bundle, it's shared bundle, and save setting. Now we added the content type. Let's go and add the content to create the hero demo. Add in a title and hero. This module, by default, when you enable the module, it has the parent module, which is the W3CSS paragraph. Each bundle is contained in a separate module. The idea here is that you don't need to enable all these if you do not use them. And that was the purpose. So I put each bundle in separate module, a sub-module. So let's go. I'm adding a hero. When we add a hero, we should see some kind of two tabs, as you see here, content and display. Content from itself is to enter the content of this paragraph bundle. The display is to customize the output of this content. I have an image, it may help. For each paragraph bundle, box, type, anything, whatever name you want to use, we always have a background, a text. That's the box. We have a box and we have a background and text. We can change the background. We can change the color of the text. We can change the width of the box. We can add padding, border, or margin, or make it even a rounded corners. These are features are available under the display. The display button here, it has so many features. You will need to click and play with them and see what do you want? The output. You try to play with it until you get the output you want. There are so many colors. So I'm going first to add some title. There is no required field here. So this one is the image title or the content title. I want to just make it different from the node title. And then I'm adding an image. Let's add an image. Let's pick different image. All this is the default. Save, insert. Okay. The link, if you try to add a link, link title add. So this is for the image, a link and title. Let's add the body. I am going to add some text inside this body. I'm just filling all the field to see what is happening. I'm not adding any under the display. I'm not adding any feature. Let's just see the default. What is happening? If I click, I see an image, clickable image, because I added a link and has some text. The text is the title, the image title, and the body description. So let's play with this box and see what kind of features we have to change here. So I can add a background to this box, opacity. I can change the width. Let's see what's happening. So here is the background. So the background, since we have an image, the background applied to the box. And I added opacity for it. So as you see here, if I go back and I click display and none, and I want to add just straight color, and I'm changing the text color to make it sand. That's the border color. The text color, here's the text color. And I'm clicking save. Here is, as you see. So let's say, and that's the idea. You see, I'm playing with the image and I want to get some kind of understanding of what is really happening. Let's add rounded corner. Let's add border colors, gray, margin, 16, padding, adding box shadow. And there is some extra classes here. I see a lot of drop down a pickup or a select list. Each one kind of, it says what's happening for the text above the image. So if I want it middle left, middle right, center, this is the default, the one. Display bottom left corner. I want to see what's happening. So all this, you will play with that, and according to your page width and where is you the position of this, I guess, hero image. As I said, hero usually it's in the and somewhere in the home page, on the section page, or in a big location, in the main location on the website. I could change the I wanted you to get the idea that this is something can happen. So we add the borders. Let's add, if we added the border color, we have to add the border thickness. You can't add colors without that, as you see here. I'm not trying to make things pretty more than just functioning, but the idea that you will need to spend time to make things pretty. I have something like that, and that's what I built. You kind of choose the colors to match with the background and things like that. And if I go back to this and I change, this is the layout. Remember, this is the layout for the text if you want it to be here. If I want the background to be lighter, I could go and add, I change the opacity of the background. This is hero image, and I believe that will cover all the functionality in this bundle. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.